Hi everybody. Now I would like to teach you about the correlative conjunction such as neither nor. How to use neither nor in sentences, let us learn in this session very clearly. Generally we use the correlative conjunction neither nor in order to join two negative ideas. In order to join two negative ideas, we use the correlative conjunction neither nor. Neither nor. This is the topic that we are discussing in our session. Here, the correlative conjunction neither nor is opposite of both and. Here we can take another correlative conjunction such as both and. Here, neither nor is the opposite of the correlative conjunction both and. In my next session, I shall clearly explain you about both and. How to use the correlative conjunction both and will be known in my next session. Now let us see the rules according to the given examples which have been written on the board by taking the correlative conjunction neither nor in order to join two events into one. Here if you take first question, Hruday does not read the poem. This is one event. And another event, Sujay does not read the poem. Here, if you take these two events are to be joined by using the correlative conjunction neither nor. Here, Hruday is the subject from the first event. And if you take second event, here, Sujay is the subject from the second event. Now we can find two different subjects, and if you take does not read, this is the verb from the first event, and from the second event also we can find the same verb does not read. Here we are going to join two negative ideas into one. Here we can find two different subjects with the same verb. Now how to join these two events into one by using the correlative conjunction neither nor. Neither Hruday nor Sujay reads the poem. Neither Hruday nor Sujay reads the poem. Here Hruday is a third person singular. So in such a way, Sujay is also third person singular. So verb 1 takes S or ES in the positive event. If you take negative event, does not will come, because does plus read is equal to reads. What is the negative form for does? Does not is the negative form for the helping verb does. Here does not we can take. For good and all, these two events are in the simple present with negative sense. Then how to join these two events when these two events contain the different subjects with the same verb in the negative form? How to join by using neither nor. Neither Hruday nor Sujay reads the poem. Here, while using neither nor, we should remove not. From the first statement, we are removing not, and from the second statement also, we have to remove not. Here, does plus read. Does plus read is equal to reads. The first form of the verb. Reads, read, reading, to read. These are the five forms of the verb. Does plus read is equal to reads. Then how to say the answer? Neither Hruday nor Sujay reads the poem. That is the answer for the given question. Now let us take another example. It is not useful. It is not ornamental. Here the same subjects have been repeated. The same subjects have been repeated with two different negative events, negative ideas. It is not useful, it is not ornamental. We are talking about the same subject. We are talking about the same subject. But here, if you take the adjective useful, it is not useful. Here useful is the adjective. It is not ornamental. Ornamental is also an adjective. Then how to join when you find two subjects? When you find the two subjects such as the same subjects, when you find the same subjects, how to join these two? These are two negative ideas. Then it is neither useful nor ornamental. It is neither useful nor ornamental. It is neither useful nor ornamental. Here we can remove not, convert not from the two events. From those two events we can remove the word not. Here neither nor gives negative sense. So we need to remove not from the given events. So you can combine these two negative ideas by using neither nor. How to combine? It is neither useful nor ornamental. That is the answer for the given question. Now let us take one more example. He didn't pay the fee. He did not write the exam. Here we can find two negative events which are in the negative sense with the past tense. Which are in the past tense with negative sense. Then how to join these two negative ideas into one by using neither nor. Here if you take did plus verb 1 is equal to verb 2. Did plus the first form of the verb is equal to the second form of the verb. Did plus pay is equal to paid. Did plus write is equal to wrote. Then let us remove NOT not from first event and from the second event in order to combine these two by using the correlative conjunction neither nor. Then how to say the answer? He paid neither the fee nor wrote the exam. He paid neither the fee nor wrote the exam. Here we can find the same subjects but different verbs are here, pay and write. Then how to join these two? When the two ideas are given with the negative sense, how to join? He paid neither the fee nor wrote the exam. In such a way you can say number of examples. I can speak, I can write. How to join these two into one? I can speak, I can write. These are positive statements. Then while joining two events into one by using the correlative conjunction neither nor, you need to take negative statements, negative ideas. Then how to join two events into one? I cannot speak, I cannot write. I cannot speak, I cannot write. I can neither speak nor write. You should not meet him. You should meet him is positive sentence. You should not meet him, you should not talk to him. You should not meet him, you should not talk to him. Then how to combine these two into one? You should neither meet him nor talk to him. You should neither meet him nor talk to him. Okay, in such a way we should join two events into one. Okay, we should take negative ideas. If you take two negative ideas, those two negative ideas can be combined by using neither nor, such as the correlative conjunction. Okay. In my next session, I shall come with some other new topic. Till then, thank you very much.